tsakile, tsakile, mbelo ya mina, tsakile, 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 mbelo ya mina,
But for those who are watching me on Facebook broadcast, just go to the website www.radio54africanpanorama.com. Right, Rhandzu, how are you? Welcome to the studio.
Hi, Emasha. How are you?
Why are you so confident?
Confident. I think it's age. I think it's age. Confidence is something that I struggled with all my life, and I think with age I become more and more confident because I get to learn more about myself and accept myself the way I am.
Right, you sound very, very confident, and you know what? I like such people. Tell us about yourself. Who is this Rhandzu? Come on, tell us. Don't be afraid, because you have already told us that age has told you to be very confident.
Yes. So Rhandzu is a Tsonga lady. I was born in South Africa in Pretoria, and I sing in my language, which is one of the 11 official languages in South Africa. So I'm someone who loves music. I love fashion. I love health. I just love people being positive in life.
So, I thought you are from Zimbabwe.
No, originally I'm from Limpopo.
Oh, you're from Limpopo.
Like, Tsonga people originally they're from Limpopo.
Really? And I'm thinking that, you know what, you come from Zimba, unotaura Shona, Yamandoro Kwanti.
Oh, yes. No, but I have been to, is it Gweru? I've been to Gweru.
What were you doing in Gweru?
We had a presentation that side. It was 2018.
Is your music on YouTube?
Yes, my music is on YouTube, Spotify, iTunes, and all major digital platforms.
Under what name?
Rhandzu Lucretia.
How do you spell Rhandzu? Me, I can't spell Rhandzu. That's
It's R-H.
Oh, R-H.
Yeah. A-N.
N.
D-Z-U.
D-Z-U.
Then Lucretia. L-U.
L-U.
C-R-E.
1 second. L-U-C. Okay. Yeah, but you don't have a lot of songs on Spotify. Why?
Yeah, currently we, my producer and I, Mr. Lemichalko, we only did 2 songs. So these are songs to test the market and see what the market catches first. And then next year, around April, we'll release a full album.
Fantastic. Right, tell us about yourself. Where did this journey come from and when did it start?
You know, like I knew from the age of 7 that I wanted to be a musician.
Don't tell me fibs. Don't tell me fibs. That is a fib, a master fib. Don't lie to me. 7 years you didn't even know anything.
Yay, I'm telling you, I sang along to all the adverts on TV, everything, I knew everything. But African parents don't want their children to get into entertainment.
Why?
Especially back in the day.
Why?
You know, the fear, those days artists didn't make a lot of money. A lot of them died without legacies or anything. And then the fear of getting into a bad sort of lifestyle, drugs, alcohol and everything, you know. So growing up, I was always challenged with, you need to find something to fall back on. And then fast forward to 2007, I worked on my first album, but I never got to release it. I did more of performances, and then I left the industry to find something to fall back on, as advised by my family. And then this year, during the lockdown, that's when I actually got to have time to sit down and think about my life purposes and my goals. And then Mr. Lemitsauke discovered me on Facebook. He sent me the 2 beats that I wrote the songs to. Then I wrote the songs and then recorded them at home because we were in a lockdown. So I recorded myself. I sent Lemitsauke the music and he mastered it. And that is the journey.
Just hold on. We want to test your voice. Just hold on. We are testing your voice. Just wait and see. Oh, she starts like Alicia Keys. Takulanda.
Wherever your spirit flows, Takulanda. Wafamba watsama wathela, Takulanda. Wherever your spirit flows, Takulanda.
For those who are watching us on Facebook, you will have to come back because anytime Facebook will cut you off. That's why I want you to go to the website or download the app. We've got the app now, Radio54 African Panorama. Oh yes, she's got a beautiful voice. I was underrating her. What are you singing about, your beautiful voice?
So Ntakulanda basically means I will follow you. So the song basically talks about God, really, my pursuit and my love for God. I'm basically saying whether you go, whether you stay, wherever you go, I'll follow you. Wherever your spirit flows, I will follow you.
That's very true. So is this your first project? It's a single?
Yeah, it's a single. It only has 2 songs. So this one is a more R&B Afro soul, and the other one is more of a Tsonga traditional music type of vibe.
Fantastic! You are a vibe. You are a vibe. You're so good. You're so good.
Oh,
right. That's someone says that's my language. So even more beautiful. My time says that's my language. Which church do you go to, Rhandzu?
I go to Hatfield Christian Church.
Fantastic.
Yes.
So where did this voice come from? From church? Stop telling me that you started singing just knowing at 7 years. Don't lie to me. Is the voice coming from church or in the Sunday school?
From church, yeah, from Sunday school. I grew up at a Presbyterian church where we used to sing hymn books in Tsonga. So that is where the voice comes from.
Right, can you do me an a cappella and sing for me without drums, without anything? They want to see your voice, you want to test a bullet on your head. So let's sing together any song you want to sing, a beautiful song, but I want you to sing a song which is not yours. I want you to pick a song. Now we are doing what you call audition. We want to see who has got the talent, the voice of a talent. So I want you to pick a song, whether you pick it from Tendi, from Rebecca Malope, from whoever, and I want you to sing a song. So we are testing to see how your voice is.
Oh,
don't panic.
Okay. I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to live. And every time I feel a pain, I hold tight to my faith, and I live one more day. That's my favorite song.
Oh, yes, right. Who sang that song?
Mariah Carey.
Mariah Carey, right. Let's go to the judges. Let me see what the judges are saying. Right, just hold on. Let's hear what the judges are saying. Go on.
Wait, judges. I was nervous.
Right. Let's hear what the judges are saying. Michael Light, what are you saying? It's a yes for me. Right, let's see. Mary, what are you saying? Oh, yes, it's a big yes for me. Right, let's see. What are you saying there, Jumbo? It's a yes for me. Oh, you have just cracked it. You are going to the next stage. Well done, Rhandzu. Yes. No, you are fantastic. You are so great. So, tell me, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years, beautiful girl?
In 5 years, my biggest goal is to revolutionize or modernize the Xitsonga tradition. If you look at South Africa right now, Xitsonga, we are the smallest culture, and our culture hasn't really evolved. You know, we still do the same things, we still do the same songs, whether it's the same shibelane. So my goal is to create a unique sound and still sing in my language, make it have a kind of like R&B Xitsonga type of thing.
Right, me growing up, my inspiration was you. I was inspired by you for me to be where I am today. Who is your inspiration? Who inspired you? Where is the inspiration coming from?
My inspiration musically was Mariah Carey.
Very good, very good.
Yes, you know, some of the songs that she sang, I felt like I had written them. That's how obsessed I was with her. So I can say she was my mentor musically. She was my music teacher. She was my vocal teacher and everything. So I was really inspired by her. I also followed her life where she went through some hard times, where she hit rock bottom, and then she brought herself up in a stylish way. So I really admire her.
Very good. Which places have you performed? Have you performed in a place where there's more than 50 people?
Yeah, back in the day, I think the biggest concert that I did, it was Mapungubye. It's a jazz festival.
Okay.
In Limpopo.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm very old. You don't ask a lady how old she is.
No, into music.
I'm kidding. Pardon?
Yeah, okay. How old are you? We want to know so that we can put you in the right place.
I'm 37 years old.
Ah, you are talented. Now I want you to come and perform in the UK.
Oh yes, I would get there. If flights would open up, I would be there yesterday.
Right, which places would you love to come in and perform? Zimbabwe, have you been to Zimbabwe performing? Not yet?
Not yet. I haven't performed in Zimbabwe yet. I'd love to.
Do you follow Zimbabweans artists?
No.
Oh, you need to go and look. You need to go and... We have got so many Mariah Careys in Zimbabwe. Massive. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
So,
I started listening to Radio 54 last week, and remember I sent you the message that I'm loving the music.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
thank you so much.
No, we love you so much. Let's play another song before we call it a day. But let's play another song, and I want you to tell me the name of this song.
Which means I will show off my Xibelani and my Xitsonga.
Hold on. Rhandzu Lucretia. Look for her music.
mina yo.
The single called Takulanda.
Ndomi bombela.
This one is called the Nita.
Isibela.
Mimbombela.
Ndomi bombela mina yo.
Radio 54 African Panorama on a lovely breakfast show. Good morning, everyone, John. Right, where are you based, Raju?
I'm currently based in Nelspruit, White River.
Where is Nelspruit, by the way?
It's in Mpumalanga, not very far from the Mozambique border.
Oh,
and I think Swaziland border, somewhere there.
Oh, duzane la machangane le.
Those are my people, how?
Oh, duzane la machangane le. Oh, Snachauke, oh, Vuyelwa.
Yes, Maramatsonga.
Ah, okay, Matsonga. No, that's good. Yeah, but it's very far, Pela, from Joburg. It's about 500 kilometers.
It's very far.
Oh, so when I ngabuya South Africa, vela ngeke ngubone uvela kachana le kangeni le.
No, I will make sure I come see you.
Oh, very good. No, so what are your last few words? What do you want to tell your fans?
My last few words, I'd like to inspire everyone. I'd like everyone to follow their dreams. Don't ever allow anyone to stop you from reaching your dreams, your calling, and your purpose. The way I came back into the music industry, I had given up really. And I was just learning to play keyboard, and I would share some of my songs on Facebook, and that's how my producer discovered me. So if you have a dream or a goal, don't wait to be discovered or don't wait to be funded. Start wherever you are, because right now the internet is open. Basically, you can reach the whole world with whatever you want to achieve. So just get started.
That's so good. Right, let's go to food-wise. What do you like? What sort of food do you like?
I'm a very conscious eater, so I love vegetables and meat. I know it's boring.
My last question to you, have you had any challenges in life?
Yes.
Go on, tell us.
In life,
be honest.
In life, when you move one step, there will always be a challenge. The only time you don't get a challenge is if you're sitting still. You know, the biggest challenge I've had has been my musical journey. Like I said, I knew when I was very young that I wanted to be a musician, but I was always pushed aside to, to go and find something else to fall back on, And then also when you try to release your music, there are people who will always want to shut you down, to always close whatever you're trying to do, try to quieten you down and things like that. So I've definitely had a lot of challenges.
Very good. No, thank you so much. What do you want to say to the Air Marshal Commander? Parting ways.
Air Marshal Commander, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for the interview. And thank you for being one of the people who was very instrumental in my career very early on. And I hope to make you proud.
Oh, don't make me cry. Don't make you cry. I don't want to cry. I've been crying all week. Thank you so much, Kanzelami. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon, okay?
Thank you so much.
I'll send you the interview as well, okay?
Yes.
You look after yourself. Look after yourself, okay?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That is our lovely, lovely, talented young girl. Talented young girl. Let's promote her. Thank you so much, Raju. Bye-bye, Raju. Today, who those who want to If you want to give us a call in the studio, if you want to say hi to your friends, the numbers is open 0044745523278. If you want to say hi to your friends, that is Rhandzu Lucretia. You heard it. My name is the Marshall Commander. It's a beautiful breakfast show with the Marshall Commander. Let me just shout some few people who are watching me live on Facebook broadcast. Kukumete Kunjani. Shapati Mushapati Shapaidze. How are you? Welcome. Zaza Kumanda Kunjani. Mike Tine. How are you? Ngamutampofu Kunjani. Kumbulani Nyanden Gazdam Rampafu. Welcome to Radio 54. My name is the Marshall Commander Philip Simanda. Give us a call if you want to say hi to your friends. I hope you're fantastic in all parts of the world. You know what I love with this? When I come on the radio sometimes, I don't plan for anything. I'm not the type of a person who goes in the morning and starts sitting down and start writing some notes. What will I do? I can't do that. Honest enough, I can't. I just... You say, Philip, gonna go and cover a show for someone. I just stand up and go and do that. What I love with the Radio 54 fans, especially those on WhatsApp, they will tell you straight away that your sound is a bit up and down. Air Marshal Commander, thank you so much. I can see I'm a comments the partner. My blood, Air Marshal Commander. Thank you so much, Paul. Right, guys, those who are watching on Facebook broadcast, Yakumega anytime. Just go live on Radio54 African Panorama.com. Radio54 African Panorama.com, or just download the app. The app is there. And if you want me to play your song, send your request right now. I have got another young, talented Zimbabwean guy called Romeo Gazapes in Zimbabwe. The boy is just unbelievable. I'll bring him one day. Live on Radio 54 with the Marshall Commander. Later on, I'll be giving you some updates about the COVID-19 cases in Africa. And the breaking news, what is happening? Radio 54, the time is 17.5 to 11 o'clock. Good morning, my name is Marshall Commander. Yes, if you want to give me a call, just for 2 seconds, you want to say hi to your friends. Or you just want to say this program is not a greeting program, but I can give you access to your hi. It's up to you. I do this every morning on a Monday. All right, let's have a look.